Hot wings make great party foods and are the finger food of choice for many sports fans. Their notoriety surpasses the party atmosphere though, as restaurants esteem the hot wing as an appetizer or even an entrée. The even greater thing for hot wing lovers is it is very easy to learn how to make hot wings at home. Purchase your chicken wings. For a meal or a big game day, plan on 10-15 wings per person. For an appetizer or snack where a lot of other foods are offered, figure 5-7 wings apiece. Set up your work area. Sanitize and lay out your cutting board. Select your sturdiest, sharpest knife or a heavy-duty pair of kitchen shears as you will be cutting through meat and bone. Portion your wings. The chicken wing has 2 joints separating 3 sections of the wing. Cut the wing at each of the joints. Discard the wing's tip. Get out your breading. Place packaged or homemade seasoned breadcrumbs in a large bowl or container within reach of the area where you will be cutting. Note that breading your wings is optional and is used based on preference and persuasion. If you do not care for breaded hot wings, or you are a loyal buffalo wing fan, disregard these steps concerning breading your wings. Bread the wing pieces. As you cut your wings, set the usable pieces into the breading container. Toss or stir the wings until each one is completely coated with breading. Place a cover on the container. Chill for 1 to 2 hours. Fry the meat. Preheat your fryer or stock pot filled with vegetable oil. Place the wing pieces in slowly and carefully. The hot oil can splash up and burn you if you are not careful. Do not put too many in the pot at one time. Cook until the pieces are lightly brown. Let the wings drain and cool. Remove the wings from the oil and place them on a plate lined with a few layers of paper towel. The paper towel will absorb excess oil from the chicken. Put the sauce on. First, transfer the wings to a large bowl. Cover with wing sauce. Stir the wings to evenly coat. The sauce can be pre-bottled favorite from the grocery store, or you can make your own. Place your wings on a platter. Accompany the wings with celery sticks and a dish of blue cheese dipping sauce or dressing. These side items will tame the tongue after it's been introduced to a particularly spicy sauce. Make hot wings in the oven. Season your wings. You can select to add a dry rub of seasonings to your wings and let them set in the refrigerator for at least a 1/2 hour. Otherwise, season the wings with salt, pepper and paprika. If you are in this for the heat, sprinkle on some cayenne pepper. Season your wings. You can select to add a dry rub of seasonings to your wings and let them set in the refrigerator for at least a 1/2 hour. Otherwise, season the wings with salt, pepper and paprika. If you are in this for the heat, sprinkle on some cayenne pepper. Lay the wings out in a single layer on a cookie sheet or sheet pan. Cook the wings in a 375-degree oven for 10 minutes. Flip the wings. Take the pan out of the oven and, using tongs, flip each wing over. Put them back in the oven for 15 more minutes. Make hot wing sauce. In a saucepan on the stove, melt 4 tablespoons of butter. Add 1½ cups hot sauce to the pan. Stir to combine. Add 1/2 cup maple syrup or honey and 1 tablespoon ketchup as an alternative recipe. Coat the wings. Take the wings from the oven and place them in a large bowl. Pour your prepared hot wing sauce over them. Stir to coat. Lay the wings on the pan once again using the tongs. The excess wing sauce will remain in the bowl to use later. Return the wings to the oven. This time they will cook at 350 degrees. Check on them every 5 minutes for doneness. Finish the wings. Remove the wings from the oven once they have completely cooked. Return them to the bowl of sauce and stir to coat with sauce. Place your wings on a platter. Accompany the wings with celery sticks and a dish of blue cheese dipping sauce or dressing. These side items will tame the tongue after it's been introduced to a particularly spicy sauce.